If you're tired of spending more time chopping vegetables than actually cooking, you're not alone. For a lot of people, meal prep is the part that makes cooking feel exhausting, especially when you're dealing with onions, garlic, herbs, or piles of vegetables for things like salsa, salads, or Indian dishes. And honestly, dragging out a loud electric food processor for small jobs usually feels like more work than it's worth. That's exactly where the Brieftons Express manual food chopper comes in. And after using it for real everyday cooking, I can see why so many home cooks swear by it. So this is the Brieftons Express manual food chopper, a 6.8-cup hand-powered chopper designed for people who want faster prep without relying on bulky electric appliances. It's meant for busy home cooks, small kitchens, RV setups, camping, and, honestly, anyone who cooks regularly but hates repetitive chopping tasks. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that surprised me was how sturdy it feels for a manual kitchen tool. A lot of hand choppers can feel flimsy or toy-like, but this one actually feels solid when you use it. The bowl is thick enough to feel durable, the pump handle has a satisfying resistance to it, and the anti-skid base helps keep everything stable while chopping. It's compact enough to fit easily in smaller kitchens, but the 6.8-cup size still gives you enough room to prep ingredients for an entire meal without constantly emptying the bowl. Visually, it's simple and practical rather than flashy, which honestly works in its favor. The collapsible handle is a nice touch because it stores easily without taking up much cabinet space. And since the blades stay concealed during operation, it feels noticeably safer than using exposed chopping tools or mandolin slicers. If you've got kids around the kitchen or you're just someone who prefers safer food prep tools, that matters more than you'd think. Where this thing really wins is in everyday convenience. Using it feels surprisingly quick and effortless. You basically load in your vegetables, pump the handle a few times, and within seconds, you've got evenly chopped onions, tomatoes, herbs, garlic, or cucumbers. For salsa, guacamole, coleslaw, or Indian cooking prep, it saves an incredible amount of time compared to chopping everything manually with a knife. And because it's fully manual, there's zero motor noise. That sounds like a small thing, but if you cook early in the morning, late at night, or in a house where people are sleeping, it's genuinely nice not having a loud processor screaming on the counter. It also gives you more control over texture. You can stop after a few pumps for chunkier cuts or keep going for finer chopping, which makes it more versatile than expected. Another thing I appreciated is how easy it is to clean. Electric food processors usually come with awkward lids, hidden corners, and multiple attachments that somehow always trap food. This comes apart quickly, rinses easily under running water, and most components are dishwasher safe. That alone makes it more likely you'll actually use it consistently instead of avoiding cleanup afterward. Now, to be fair, there are a couple of limitations. If you regularly prep huge quantities of food or want perfectly uniform ultra-fine chopping every single time, an electric processor will still be faster and more powerful. Also, because it's manual, tougher vegetables require a little extra pumping effort. It's not difficult, but you do notice it with harder ingredients like carrots or dense potatoes. Compared to similarly priced manual choppers, though, the Brieftons model stands out because of its larger capacity and stronger build quality. Some cheaper hand choppers feel fragile after a few uses or struggle with consistency, while this one feels more refined and dependable for daily cooking. It also avoids the bulky footprint and maintenance headaches of many electric alternatives. Overall, the Brieftons Express manual food chopper feels like one of those kitchen tools that quietly earns a permanent spot on your counter. It's fast, simple, surprisingly versatile, and genuinely makes meal prep less annoying. If you cook often and want something quicker than a knife, but easier than a food processor, this makes a lot of sense. If you want to spend less time chopping and more time actually cooking, this is definitely worth a look. Check the link in the description for pricing and current availability.